Breaking news. A new virus has emerged in China, raising concerns worldwide. The virus, identified as name of the virus, has caused an increase in reported cases across major cities in China. Symptoms include fever, cough, and respiratory difficulties. Health authorities are investigating the source and potential transmission methods. While there are no travel restrictions yet, experts urge caution. Stay informed and practice basic hygiene measures such as washing hands frequently and wearing masks in crowded areas. Stay safe, stay informed. Subscribe for updates on this developing story.